Hi everyone. If you've ever found yourself endlessly scrolling through scattered files just to find the one you need, you're not alone. A cluttered computer can slow you down and make simple tasks frustrating. In this guide, I'll show you 8 easy ways to organize your files efficiently on Windows, so you can save time and keep everything neatly arranged. First, create a structured folder system. A well-organized folder structure is the foundation of efficient file management. Start by creating broad categories like work, personal, and media. Then, within each main folder, add subfolders for specific data types. For example, under AANCreation Folder, you might have a video folder with separate subfolders for each project. If your current file system is a mess, with everything dumped into a single folder or scattered across different drives, take a moment to set up a structured system. Once it's in place, just stick to it and avoid turning any one folder into a digital junk drawer. Also, be sure to use a consistent file naming convention. This will make searching for files much easier. Second, pin important folders to quick access. If you have folders that you open multiple times a day, don't waste time digging through layers of directories. Instead, pin them to quick access in File Explorer for instant access. To do this, right-click the folder and select Pin to Quick Access. It will now appear in the Home section of File Explorer, making it easy to reach. Be sure to unpin folders when they're no longer needed to keep quick access clutter-free. Third, change the default save location. By default, Windows saves files like documents, pictures, and music on the same drive as your operating system. Over time, this can lead to clutter and slow down your computer. To prevent this, you can change the default save location. Open Settings, go to System, then select Storage. Scroll down and click Advanced Storage Settings. Then choose where new content is saved. From here, you can select a different drive to store your files and click Apply to save the changes. Fourth, change the default download location. Your Downloads folder can quickly become a chaotic mess. If you frequently download files, consider organizing them right away, or changing the default download location in your browser. For Google Chrome, click the 3 dots in the top right corner, go to Settings, then Downloads. Click Change and select a new location. If you use another browser, you can find a similar option in its settings. Fifth, use icons, emojis, or symbols for folder names. A simple but effective way to visually organize your folders is by adding emojis or symbols to their names. For example, you could use the file folder for work, the video game for games, and the light bulb for learning materials. To add an emoji, right-click the folder, select Rename, then press Win+. To bring up the emoji menu, choose an emoji and add it to the folder name. You can also change the folder icon for an even clearer visual cue. Sixth, enable the preview pane for quick file. Viewing the preview pane in File Explorer is a great way to quickly check file contents without opening them. When enabled, it shows a preview of the selected file on the side panel. To turn it on, open File Explorer, go to the View tab, and click Preview pane. You can also toggle it on or off anytime by pressing Alt+P. Seventh, save frequent searches to Quick Access. If you regularly search for the same files, you can save your search criteria to Quick Access, saving you time in the future. Simply type your search in File Explorer, apply any filters, and when the results appear, click the 3 dots in the toolbar and select Pin to Quick Access. Now, you can run the same search with just one click. Finally, customize folder views. Based on content, you can make navigating your files even easier by adjusting the folder view settings based on the type of content inside. For folders containing images or videos, use the Tiles or Large Icons view to see thumbnails. If you're sorting files by date, name, or size, switch to Details view. To change the view, right-click inside a folder, select View, and choose the layout that best suits your needs. By following these tips, you'll keep your files organized, easily accessible, and clutter-free. To stay on top of things, remember to archive old folders you no longer need. Avoid excessive nesting and resist the temptation to use your desktop as a temporary storage space. Try these methods today, and you'll instantly notice how much easier it is to find and manage your files.